vlog number 5. So I've already been swimming this morning with Zach. Went for breakfast. It was delicious. So I think now the plan is we're going to go shopping, and then I think go over to Leeds, go and get a dining room table that my nan's bought us. Lots of driving in the rain today, I feel like. So have a look at this. This looks horrible. Yeah. So we'll see how today goes. Go get in the rain. Finish the shopping. What's next? And then over to Leeds. Go and pick up the table.
I think I want to take wine.
So, future video coming soon.
Upcycling.
Upcycling. So we're at my nan's, quick 10 minutes, hopefully load up this table, get back on the road. Right, flying visit to my grandmother, pick up this table she bought us yesterday. Now it's time to drive back to Manchester. Guys, so we drove from my nan's back to the Trafford Centre. Next is
Wagamamas!
Wagamamas, let's go. Cheers. Roll it out of the chair. Cheers. Thank you. I think now it's time to head home. Georgia's going to finish clearing off this laptop so that we can potentially get a new one. I don't think it's going to happen tonight. I think it might happen next week. However, I would love for it to happen tonight so I can get these videos out, edit the band video, But now, it's home time.